Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add search bar to your Wix website. The first thing you need to do, guys, of course, is to open Wix account, and then after that you want to click my sites in the top left and then click go to my sites. So the reason why you need to do that is it will take you directly to your website so that you can select which website you want to add the search bar to. For example, I want to add search bar to this website. I'm going to click select and edit. And after that, if it doesn't take you directly to your website, you just want to click on design site in the top right. After that, guys, you just want to wait a few seconds before the for the website to load, and after that you can easily add the search bar to your Wix website. Now, as you can see, I have search bar. I'm going to delete it so that I can show you how you can add it again. Alright, now all you need to do, guys, you want to click on where it says add apps. As you can see, add apps at in the left. Click on add apps, this icon here. After that, guys, you want to search for Wix where it says search for Wix search bar. Click enter. Now what you want to do, guys, next you want to click on Wix site search, and then you want to click on install. I already installed it, so you want to click on install. It says for me open because I already installed it. Click on install and you will be able to add the search bar to your Wix. Now anyone can search. You can also customize your search bar. You can click settings, you can click here settings. You can it says here show hidden pages. You can choose a lot of things. For example, display. You can display additional tab with all search results on your site. You can show search bar in results page. You can customize this, but the best thing, guys, before you do anything, if you want to customize this better, just click the video in the screen and you will be able to customize this better. So see you guys in the next video. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.